Basta may post, may bibili na. Ikaw ba ay nagpo-post para lang mag-post na hindi mo alam kung bakit? Baka akala mo na as long as you are posting on social media, you will get in customers na. So let me share with you the story about a couple. Tawagin natin silang si Dennis at saka si Roxy. Meron silang frozen food manufacturing business which started as a side hustle. Siomai, lumpia, and other frozen products. Binibenta nila sa mga restaurant at saka small retailers. Si Roxy handled the marketing and every day nagpo-post siya sa Facebook. Photos of their products, videos of their production, motivational quotes, promo announcements. She was consistent and she never missed a day. Pero si Dennis kept asking, we are posting every day pero bakit hindi dumadami ang orders natin? At hindi alam ni Roxy kung anong isasagot niya. She was doing everything she saw na yung mga ginagawa ng iba, ginagaya niya na nagpo-post siya, nag-hashtag, nagbo-boost ng post, sometimes kung ano-ano pa. So, when I sat down with them, I asked one simple question. Sino ba talaga ang kausap ninyo dyan sa posts ninyo? And si Roxy ay napahinto. Sabi niya, everyone who wants frozen food. And nung sinabi niya yon, doon ka nalaman na may problema. You see, their best customers were restaurant owners who needed bulk orders. Pero yung post nila were designed for regular consumers, recipes, family photos, generic food content. The people who could actually buy from them in volume, they were not seeing the content that spoke to their needs. Kaya anak, eto yung lesson. Posting without direction, noise lang yan. If you do not know exactly who you are trying to reach and what problem you're solving for them, all your effort is wasted. Busy ka pero hindi ka productive. Marketing without a clear target is like throwing arrows in the dark. You might hit something but probably not. Kaya let's be strategic. Kaya dapat tayong maging business-minded Pinoy.